In this last section, we'll add in bent 1.5" pipes, or 4 cm roughly, to simulate the tubing bent in this bench, passing over the supports we added in earlier. What I've done so far, while I can see it in the view, is to use a model line. And this line I have selected, or here it is in green, can be found by going to Home and Model Line. And a model line then can be a 3D line or 2D existing in space and viewable, and can be converted to a detail line if needed. And the reason I did it here is so I can draw this line with my standard spline tools and things while I can see my shape. And what I'm actually going to do is select it and cut, and now I'll go in to Component for my bench and Model in Place. Under Generic Models, I will call this Bench, and into a sweep I'm going to sketch a path. And in that sketch path now I will paste my line. And when I'm done, I'll hit the check box to make sure I don't drag this too far off here. And finish. And now I'll finish the shape. And under the profile here in the sweep, we've got some either preset options, or we can do a custom profile. In this case, I'm going to use the circular handrail. And I will check the green check box to finish my shape and finish the model. And now what I've got to go back into a 3D view to really see this nicely. I have my bench, or one piece of it, existing as a 3D, let's select the right object here, existing as a 3D curve pipe. We can really see it as I zoom in here. Select it there. And I can move it and put it in the right place and clone it to make the bench. That's what I'll do next. And I can always use my Edit in Place to deal with any accidental overlaps, like I'm seeing right here at this post.